Good morning, sir. Are you here for a job interview?
Yes.
Okay. Please sign your name, sir. Take a seat, brother.
Tough crowd today, huh? Looks like everyone's nervous.
You're right. I'm starting to feel the pressure. Just going that way.
Don't worry, kid. Just be yourself.
Hi, I am Vince. I'm here for same position.
Oh, hi, I'm Jordan Farham. I'm applying for call center agent.
Same here. Have you heard anything? The question they asking?
Not much, but I heard that they are asking about your past experiences and why you want the job.
Honestly, I'm not worried about my spelling makeup in employment.
Don't worry about it. Just be honest. They appreciate honesty more than anything else.
That's true. I think you're showing how you're growing during that time. Embrace them.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you. Next. I was kid. Possibly, but just stay calm. Feeling confident. Good luck, everyone.
Thanks. I got this. Stay calm, be honest, and be myself.
Next applicant, please.